Got me falling right back.
Hey guys, I'm gonna be showing you something that probably people don't know. I don't know, but I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you how to fix something on OBC. Oh my god, where's my English today? So it's gonna be super easy. It's not gonna be like high tech or anything. It's just click the button. It's a slide of a button. Okay, so first, run a device that echoes. You go try to watch videos. You do the settings to where do not just only do one, and it starts echoing. I mean, it still echoes, but I found the solution to all of your problems. I don't know, this may work, it may not, I don't know. But the amazing. Okay. This video is gonna be quick, so. It's echoing right now because look at the bar. The bar on mic and aux. If it echoes when you do that, you want to slide it all the way down because it doesn't matter if it's up, it just echoes. Because I think what happens is it's like the same thing. So like, yeah. Oh, maybe. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.